It was a good day. What is going on YouTube? It's Nick with Profit Day Trader here, and today I have a Green Day recap and also a Green Week recap. This is my weekly recap video. So I only traded one stock today. Quick note, I have something very, very important to show you towards the end of the video. This is very important, especially for newer and intermediate traders. So just stick around to the end. I said this is very, very important. This is more important than my Green Day. So I'm going to blow through my trading recap very quickly. So, okay, traded one stock today. Traded ATNF. Wasn't really in the mood to trade a lot today. Made 158 bucks, 99 cents. Pretty good. As you can see here, I only traded 5,400 shares. Not a lot of trading at all. The reason why is Wednesday I did pretty good. I took off yesterday. Just wanted to enjoy my day. And today I was like, you know what? Let me try to make a little bit of money. I was only going to risk a little bit and make a little bit. So I already knew it was going to be a huge day. But just real quick recap. So when I'm not trying to make a lot of money, I just kind of use a couple hundred shares. I usually trade a lot better because I have no emotions in it. So I kind of trade this a little pre-market. I probably traded for about an hour today. In and out, 200 shares in and out. Really made some good trades, made some couple, not great trades. But then I seen a pretty good opportunity. It's pretty bullish, so I decided to up my shares a little bit. And that's how I was able to get 159 bucks. So real quick, let me show you my weekly recap. So I'm up $1,091.66 for the week. Pretty good, especially taking off Thursday. I want to show you real quick. If you might have noticed on Wednesday, my totals was a little bit lower. After I got done recording, I saw a pretty good opportunity. I made a real quick trade, made like 30 bucks. So didn't want to update the video, so that's why you see this is a little bit higher. But yeah, overall pretty good. For the month, I'm up almost 4,100 bucks. Pretty good, pretty solid. This is kind of what I'm shooting for. So I'm as you can see here, I'm very consistent. This is more important than this number right here. You want to be consistent. If you could be consistent, eventually I'm going to start using more money, stay in stocks a little bit longer, but I want to prove to myself that I can be consistent first. So that's the important part. Okay, so now on to the very important thing I wanted to show you. So people tend to gravitate towards these very risky stocks. Now the stock, there's always risk. The stock that I traded today was risky, of course, but I want to show you two very important things. So 1 second. All right, so this is the first one. So I'll show you this one real quick. Okay, now this stock here, I was looking at this stock, I seen it gapping up really quick, and you look at this, you're like, oh my God, like what are you doing? Like you should have been traded this. Look, it was at $4.50. It went all the way up to $7.40. Of course, after the market already happened, after the trades already happened, of course it looks good, in hindsight. But I'll show you something very, very important because a lot of people, they see this. This is the only side that they see. But watch what happens after here. Look at this. It comes right. This is a mountain. See this? If you got in around here, you're done. You're losing 20-30% of your account instantly. So don't think this can't happen to you. This happens a lot. So I know this is exciting. I know you want to get in the stock because you see it gapping up, it's going crazy. But look at it. I mean, if you were on the wrong side of this mountain, this thing is going to keep drifting. I mean, it could go up. I don't know. That's all speculation. But if you got in here, there's a person that bought it at 750. They're looking at a 20-30% loss right now. That could be that could be years of savings. Who knows? I don't know how much money you're using, but that's going to be hard to recover from. And I'll show you one more stock. Again, this is very, very important because I want you to understand that this can happen to you. So you look at this stock here. It looks crazy, right? It looks like, oh my God, look. It was at $8. It was at $8. And it went all the way up to, look, oh my God, it was $21. You tripled your money. Why didn't you jump in this? Because see this right here? Look. Boom. It went from 21 to like 12. 50%. I could have lost 50. If I got in at the wrong time, I could have lost 50% of my money. And don't be mistaken. Even though it happened here, this could have happened here. It could have happened anywhere. It doesn't necessarily. It happened to go up to this point. But when I'm looking at this, I stay away from this stuff because this is this is gambling. I mean, unless you really have a lot of money to experiment, use a little bit of you're not losing too much. You stay away from this. So just understand that this is the side you want to focus on. You don't want to focus on this side. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yes, this looks great. I could have made $20,000 if I timed this perfectly, but I didn't know this was going to happen. But I do know that this does happen. There's more of a chance of this happening than this happening. So this is very, very important because don't ever think this can't happen to you. This can happen to you. So overall, good week. I'm really excited. Again, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing to these channels. I really like making these videos. I'm making these every single day, every single week. I'm going to continue this for I'm committed to this. So if you like this kind of stuff, consider subscribing. If you are subscribed, thank you guys so much. Yeah, that's it for this week. I'm gonna just go enjoy my weekend and start this again Monday. So I will see you guys next week.